Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. Yeah, I started a couple seconds early today. Hopefully, you guys are excited to trade today because I know I'm ready to make some money today, hopefully, with you guys.
We barely aside, man. We barely aside.
Hopefully. Good morning, Brett. Good morning, Steve, aka Whack Willie. Good morning, gentlemen. Hopefully, you guys are ready to execute.
Like we're ready,
today.
we're steady, and we're gonna make some money.
Hopefully we do. Hopefully we do. Let's see. Yeah, we should be good. Let me pull these charts up here so I can see them. Right now, it looks like we're consolidating a little bit. We're consolidating, looking at the Renko bars as well. We did have that news come out at 8:30, the CPI, and that popped us up here. Thankfully, because we were ranging for the overnight session. So hopefully now with that news and everything, we'll actually get some movement today, hopefully. But if it's going to be like the overnight session, today just may be a chop day where we may not take any trades if we're just chopping.
Chopping, dropping, flip-flopping, stopping, call the copping.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Hey,
Mr.
the
Moose.
The moose.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, man, I missed you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Just so you guys know, tomorrow's stream I will be getting off at 11 sharp because I have a meeting I have to get to tomorrow.
You got the meeting for a new client, man.
Yep. Got the signed contracts back from them yesterday. So that's signed, sealed, and delivered. So we'll take that.
Well, that's, I'm very happy for you.
Thank you, Steve. We can, yeah. Yeah. We'll go.
Oh my God.
Oh man, couple more days I'm gonna be in the frigid cold. Well, for Brett it's gonna be warm. For me it's gonna be cold. I'm gonna be in Canada. Your boy's excited. Your boy is excited. I'm gonna take a sleigh ride through a mountain.
How long are you going for?
I'm only gonna be out there for like 3 days.
Oh, nice.
So we'll be streaming from Canada. So I'm excited about that because today, after I run around town for a little bit, I gotta get with a couple different providers out there. I gotta get a mobile data plan because I bought me a Mac Daddy hotspot. So I'm gonna be able to put that in and we'll be able to have our streams as if I'm here with the clarity.
Nice.
So when I go to Mexico next month as well, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get a data plan in Mexico with their top of the line data plan. So that way our streams will be going off without hitch because I know at the X-Correct, the internet's not that good. So.
What is it's glitchy or what is it?
In Mexico, yeah, super glitchy. Because you also gotta think you got everybody trying to use it.
Yeah.
On a property that has over 1,000 rooms.
Oh yeah, for sure.
So sometimes it'll drop in, sometimes it'll drop out. Like, just not the best internet connection for the Wi-Fi out there. Morning is. What's up, Stream Hub? Hopefully we get some good movement today. I would like to make some money, like from my lips to God's ears. So we're gonna see what we get.
Did you see that engulfing candle at 8:30? I saw it and I was like, damn.
That was because of the news.
Yeah. Those Asian moves.
That's the CPI that came out at 8:30.
Oh, 8:30 came out for news for us?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
El Paso. Well, I bought me the Nighthawk M6 Pro I just gotta get a data plan to like an eSIM to plug into it. It'll be set. Because that bad boy does like over 8 gigabytes per second. So we gonna be able to be streaming real good. Let's see. We got 5 more minutes, people. 5 more minutes till market open here. I'm debating if I run an ATM strategy today. Or do I just keep how I've been doing it without one? Decisions. I'll probably take it off for now. Let me actually save this one. For everyone in Legacy, make sure if you guys are working out, put it in the Legacy Fitness page, because I was looking. We gotta get more active in there, boys. I'm already down 4 pounds since the first of the year. So your boy is hunting for that, getting below 300 by Mexico.
I told you, it's not you, it's the ropes. They're not strong enough.
No, I know that, Moose. I know the heavy duty equipment that they have for the Mexico zip lines aren't good enough for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not me, it's them. Yeah. But I'm still gonna make sure I'm below that weight limit. Brett said I'm losing weight and he's gaining it. Well, my bad, bro. That's because we're brothers. That sometimes happens, man. My bad. You're going to probably gain another like 20 pounds, bro. So get ready. Because I'm trying to drop 20 more. I'm 12 pounds away from cracking 300 again. I haven't cracked 300 since 2018. Straight craziness. Or before 2018, like 2017. So, yeah. We gonna see what we get. All right, 3 minutes. Well, less than 3 minutes. We're coming up on 2 minutes here for market open. I do not like that little move on the Renko bars right there. That was kind of weird.
Here, we in here.
What's up, Jose? How you feeling this morning, brother?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I'm cold as hell, but yeah, I'm good.
Well, stay warm and stay safe in the markets today.
Where you at, man? Where you at that is cold? Everywhere, huh?
They got me in Indianapolis, and yeah, it's like 30 degrees today.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too crazy. I'll be feeling that when I'm in Canada.
Oh, for sure.
Well, you made a choice to go there, so enjoy.
I did make the choice. And I just realized too, like I looked up, Canada's 2 hours behind. So normally I'm ahead in time. Like when I go overseas, like to the Europe and everything. Now I'm gonna be behind. I haven't really been behind in quite a while.
Well, what about when you were in Mexico?
Mexico in October, it was an hour behind or something like that. But then in November, because of the time change, it was normal. So we just printed an ugly looking bear flag. Keyword ugly looking bear flag on the 5 minute there. I can see it's possibly coming down, retesting where the market was before the news came out. but we're just gonna have to see. At 942.25, that was the close from yesterday. Crip, make that money, bro. Make that money. Market's open. Market's officially open. Ding, ding, ding. I need to program this little soundboard I got over here. I've just been slacking. Slacking.
Quick 184.
I was wondering why you're so quiet.
He's like doing it to it.
I'm focusing.
Look, people might call him Carlos a barber, but I call him Moose, my friend.
Moose, my friend. I'm just hoping we don't chop today.
Absolutely, Steve.
That was the biggest delay in my life, motherfucker.
Oh, sorry, because I'm paying attention over
He's
here.
back into another trade, Steve. Izzy with a quick 855, straight craziness.
Order filled.
Marcus was only open for a minute. People making 855, 145. And I'm just sitting here like, where's the move?
I don't like that it touched the 15 EMA already, so it might, if it doesn't close below, it's gonna go up.
Well, we're gonna see what we get.
Yeah, no rush. Like the soccer player used to tell me, Dagger, no stress.
No stress. I like that.
No stress.
Morning, fellas.
Morning, G.
I used to say, Dagger, do you want me to go see you today? You know, like every week. And like, whatever time. I can't, busy. No stress. No stress.
Let's see if maybe we build out a little bear flag. I'll be okay with that. We did touch that VWAP and act as support.
Okay. Where's it now? 218 up. I'm up 218 right now.
Straight crushing it.
Get it easy. I don't like this VWAP right here.
Here comes the close from yesterday. There we go. 942.25 is the close from yesterday. Coming down to the VWAP as well. You hear me get my clicks out the way, like I can relax now. So far, super small range for this market open.
Top phase.
Let's see. How big is this range right now? Oh yeah, right now it's like a 40-point range, pretty much. A little
At
bit more
least
than
it won't
40
be hard
points.
to not diddle in the middle.
Yep. So with a tight range like that, we'll definitely break out of that very easily. Hopefully it takes all the way till 9:45 here to build out a nice little bear flag. Look at some higher time frames. Oh, on the 15
30
minute, that's
minutes,
looking like a bull flag.
Oh yeah, the
on the
30
15.
minute looks like a bull flag, like a nice bull flag.
On the 30, looking like a bull flag too. So we may try going up here. And this could be one big bull flag on the 5 minute.
Boy, that's a tough looking bastard.
Well, it's officially been 5 minutes. Still in this small range for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait. Let's see what we got going on the 1 minute.
1 minute. Haha. We're getting up to 50-point range, man. It's starting to get real. It's I feel
Not
it now.
the 50-point range. Uh-oh. Watch out, folks. We got 50-point range. Yeah, at this point, I'll probably have to wait till 9:45.
You're
just
gonna
to
want to
see-
wait till 9:45 with that crap. You want to trade the chop just because it's early morning, or you want to be smart?
Well,
The
Steve,
Duane that I know, that I know by other names too, but I will only use the aforementioned one. Wait because otherwise he's gonna put me in the VIP room.
Yeah. You ain't lying. Brett will throw you in there real quick.
No, why is Brett, man? We go back. You can't start throwing the baby homies at me.
The baby homies. Is your trade evade stuff working better now, or is it still
it's
like
doing all
possibly
right.
lagging?
It's doing all right. It's just like they automatically switched the thing on the ATM strategy. Like it was a setting, and it was like it defaulted to this. And like I've never been in that, so
Yeah.
it's just basically it had like a default setting of 0, and then it was on. So like basically you could take no risk whatsoever. So
Yeah, that's crazy.
But I think they did an update. That's usually when stuff like that happens on that side, on the broker side. The other side was working fine.
Okay.
But I'm looking at I want to check out Ninja. My wife is actually I've been talking to her about it, and she also wants to start learning how to trade. So
Nice.
I've been telling her about things. So she's like, I want to set up an account too. So
Once she clicks the button, she'll be hooked.
I'm telling you, and then she'll like look at it, and she'll like, and it's like I can see she's totally feeding on it and stuff. And so you gotta watch yourself. But trading's for everybody.
That it is. Anyone can do it.
Yeah. And you know what? The beauty of it is that somebody might have that different perspective. That's why I want her involved, because I'm kind of dull and quiet, and no, I'm just kidding. No, but like she'll see things from a different perspective than me too, so it could be like a force multiplier. So
Yeah.
good. I like
No,
it.
excited for you. Yeah, Izzy in the chat saying that's the dream team, Steve.
Yeah. Well,
All right, so there goes that bull flag right there. less than 6 minutes left now. Less than 6 minutes here for the 945 range to be completed. So at this point, I'm just going to hold and wait.
Fellas, what are you thinking? We got a neutral day today, or think we're going up?
We had that pop up based off the news because the overnight session was ranging for the most part. So honestly, I feel like today may be another chop day. But if we go up, we're all for it. We're all for it.
I said an overnight ATM strategy, and I made $6.50 because it was just kind of like,
Hey, green is green. Green is green.
But I put it on ES so it wouldn't jump around too much. But man, that was like a flat line.
We're up here at 26,000 right now. Could we go higher? Possible. Let's see. Come on, 945. Green light me a trade.
It's gonna fill that wick, that prior wick.
Okay. So 945 you thinking for that?
Let me see how far it is.
Or
Right
we-
before.
Or are you talking about the 35?
Before 945.
Okay, the 35 wick then.
There you go. There you go. See, it's coming up now. Shit. Come on. Retrace for me.
Here comes 945. Let's see if we get it. Make a new high for the day. Come on, Betsy. Give me a 945. Well, 946 to be real. But close enough. Close enough. Is this the retracement moose?
Yeah, it should be. Yep. This is gonna hit the 5 EMA, and it should back up. Go back
Oof.
up. Oh shit!
Look at that. That's alrighty.
It didn't hit. It went through it. Oh my god.
What's up, Frank? Yeah, that was a aggressive
crazy
pullback
like
right there. If someone was still trying to go long right there, I feel bad for him right now. Because they're either stopped out or in drawdown. One of the two.
Yo, look at this. Let this volume get out of the way. Look at this crazy thing. Jeez.
Here, good morning, guys.
What's up, Mitch? Good morning.
How's everybody doing today?
Look good.
Another day in paradise, man. Another day. We're here streaming with y'all, great people, hoping to make some money a day without getting chopped up. That's the goal for the day.
Good to hear. Good to hear. I feel that.
Oh, Fiji.
That 5 minute, those 5 minute wicks are looking crazy right now on that candle. Let's see how the next one opens, because that's a special candle right now. So I'm officially cleared to trade. I'm gonna wait till 9:46 for this range to be fully dialed in. And hopefully in that time we could figure out something to do here for the market. Like it wants to build this bear flag, but we need momentum. And for me personally, I'm not trying to short into those buying wicks. Look at some higher time frames. Tons of selling pressure on the 2-minute candle. And we're pretty much sitting right in the middle of the 15-minute range here, so keep that in mind as well. What's on my orb?
Hey, can you give us the top and the bottom of that 15?
Yep, top of the 15 is currently sitting at 42.75, 42.75. Low of that 15 is sitting at 930.75, 930.75.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So on the 2-minute, trying to do that bear flag, but sitting here in the middle of range, I'm like, do I want to touch the middle and diddle? Not today. Not today. Last night's session, it ranged for the entire session for the most part. So Hopefully we don't range today. I'm gonna need to change this music. This music put me asleep.
The market's put me to sleep.
The market's not putting me to sleep. I just want the market to move.
I want this 15 to stay above the EMA. If it does, we shoot up.
Well, from your lips to God's ears, bro. Here comes the VWAP. All right, so we broke through the VWAP barely there. Broke through it barely. Let's see how we react down here at this VWAP. Because for me personally, where's that 830 candle? 906 level. 906 is a potential spot we may go back down to. Look at these 5-minute candles. Just straight craziness. I'm just flipping through these just to see. Because we're right here in the middle of the 15-minute range. Again.
15-minute range.
Coming back down to this VWAP here. I'm honestly not liking the movement today. I'm sure I'm not the only one saying that.
No, we're just moving side to side. This is terrible.
Yeah, we're just shopping right now.
That's why I caught a little scalp, and this is no good. And I figured it was gonna be like this because of that move that happened earlier.
Yeah, but that was pre-market though.
Yeah, his new year has been blocked.
It's usually like this in January. February starts getting a little better. December and January are always like rocky.
Yeah.
Adrian!
December, everything. Mid-November through December, everything slows down. January, we'll either have great movement, like a lot of volatility, or very low movement. And that's what we've been experiencing this year. The first day was the best moving day we had. The first day in the market's that Friday.
That was the one I wasn't here, and I keep hearing about it. It's like, when you weren't here, it was the best day of my life.
That's the best trading day so far this year. Because the market was actually moving with consistency. Because when we have sideways action, people, don't trade it. 9 times out of 10, you'll get chopped up if you trade the sideways action.
10 out of 10 for me. I don't trade the chop.
Yeah, at this point for me, I would probably be waiting to either break out of this range because I'm not trying to trade these tight ranges. So possibly wait for the break of the orb and then execute a trade because I'm not trusting. We just had small bear flag print on this 1 minute chart. But I'm not even a big fan of that. Because what's the rule? Flags plus momentum. If we get a flag with no momentum, there's no trade. All right, just got a flag on the 2 minute as well. A small flag right there, but
2 minutes to 10 o'clock.
Thank you, G. How's everyone doing today, people? Are we doing good today, other than the market just chopping? Is everyone staying safe today?
Yes.
Great crew day? Okay. Make your money, bro. Make your monies. We got a minute left for 10. Minute left for 10. We came down and touched my yellow line on the 5 minute there. I'm going to pull that down just slightly. So I don't just FOMO into a trade because it's touched my pretty yellow line there. We're sitting right above this VWAP. Don't ask. I know what that means. Listen, that's like when Brenda's like, "Oh, babe, how did you do today?" I just say it was a rough day in the office, baby. And whenever I say that to her, she knows not to ask about any trading performance. Or she'll just say, "How did you do?" I'm like, "It was a red day." And then she knows at that point, don't ask anything else about trading for the day. until like, for me, if I have a red day, I need at least like 30 minutes after getting off the charts to like decompress from trading, and then I'm good again. Alrighty, there's 10 o'clock right there.
What you should do is right after you're done trading for the day, you put the lights in the back of how it was for the trade.
On stream or after stream?
After the stream, but then you leave it because that's gonna be the color for the traders hangout.
Ah, I could do that. I could do that. What should I put if I don't take a trade? White?
Blue.
Blue, okay. Straight chopping, boys. We're chopping.
Yeah, it's a choppy day today so far. I hit the stop loss on one of my accounts and I moved to the other one.
Okay. Rotate. That's it. Yeah, I think today may be I say no trade day, but if we get momentum, I'll take something, but I want to break out of this 15 right now. Which it looks like it wants to. We're down here at the close from yesterday. Come on, Betsy. Give us something. Give us something.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised based off some information that I was looking at that we start moving to the downside significantly throughout the day.
Well, we just got a small bear flag on the 2-minute chart. No flag yet on this one minute. But on the 2-minute, we did just have print a bear flag. But I need more follow through and momentum. That's the issue. Hello.
What was it here?
I see when it does that, I'm not a big fan of it. Alrighty, well, first target to the low side I got is all the way down at 874. 874 for the first target. Let's see if we pull back to the 15 and then we go. There's a 5% chance we'll keep on running down to the first target here.
Okay, go.
Wow. Wow. Like, we did not go back and retest yet.
Melty.
Jeroni, sorry you're losing money, bro. Stay safe from the markets, man. Keep it simple, bro. Keep it simple. Base hits. Base hits. I want to jump in on the retest of this 15. But we have that 5% chance. 5% chance we just never go back to retest it. Quick 140 there. I closed at 230, only got 140. So there's the retest in the low, the 15-minute range right there. see what account I should switch to next, since I just put a quick 140 in here. Thought we were gonna have the 230, but when I closed, it pulled back slightly. In the click of a button, it pulled back. Got to love it, people. Got to love it. All right, let me rotate. Man, I should have stayed in. How many times have you guys said that to yourself? Man, I should have stayed in.
Yeah, but that means nothing because, you know, shoulda, woulda, coulda.
No, 100%. I live by just locking the profit in, even if it.
We just gotta be ready for next time, man, because you know what? The market always repeats itself, repeats itself, repeats itself.
That it does. That it does. But for me, I don't get mad when we continue after I get out. Because as long as I lock in green, I don't care. Because I'm going for consistency over a long period of time, not a one-win pony.
No one-win ponies.
No one-win ponies, boys. No one-win ponies over here. Ooh, that's looking like a glorious bear flag somewhat. We need the bears to step in and bring this price down. But right now we got a lot of buying pressure, so I'm not sure if they're going to be able to win it. That 5-minute wick showing selling pressure. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Yeah, we got buying pressure right in this area right there. We gotta get below that. We're at the 15-minute range currently. Back in it. Get ready to pop back out of the 15. There we go once again. Back in it. They're battling at the low of this 15-minute range right now. We got some slight consolidation right here. Consolidation happens before the move, boys. Always remember that.
What's up, everybody?
What's up, Dave?
Hey, man. How you doing?
Doing good. I'm doing good. How about y'all?
Oh,
Another day in paradise, bro. Another day in paradise.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Another day in Chop City.
hey, too bad your meeting's not today, Duane. You'll be like, okay, I don't have any go to leaving today.
Yeah, I'll be annoyed if the market's like moving really, really well tomorrow. I gotta get off, but it is what it is.
I mean, that's what I was saying. Like tomorrow will be like A++. You'll be like,
Watch me A++ like at 1050.
yeah. This is what it's been building up to. Goodbye, guys.
All right, let's get some follow through my yellow line. That's what I'm waiting for here. Oh yeah, come on. Give us a little flaggy flag. I'll be okay with a little flag. I don't want a big flag. I'm like the 2 minute. I want a nice little, small little flag so we can jump in on it with momentum.
It started shorting right through the orb, right?
Yeah, we broke out of the orb to the low side.
For a bear flag.
Yeah, we just got a bear flag on the 1 minute. A small, I mean, that's a super small if you squint your eyes flag. We got buying pressure down here, so that's why I haven't just jumped in yet. I want to get rid of some of this buying pressure.
Yeah, that's why there's no momentum, man.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. Come on.
Let's see if we get the flush right here. Seller stepped in hard.
Bear flag on the 1 minute, but it's stopping at the 06 level. It's like where the bottom of those 2 1 minute candles are. There's an area of resistance right there. It needs to punch through it.
Come on, punch through. You can do it. We punched through for a second there.
And you're going to be right on top of a whole number in no time flat.
Good call out, Steve. I didn't even look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. I closed out like close to $200. I had $30 on that. That's craziness. Straight craziness.
It'll be have gasoline to go to your appointments tomorrow.
That $30 won't even fill my truck up halfway.
Yeah, but at least it's not under the, like a couple of years ago. Then you'd just be buying like less gas.
What's up, Neil? I'm gonna rotate off this account because I put $30 in. I did not get the rest on it, but I'm not going to stress that right now.
Look, we're not here to stress. We're here to do well.
Oh, 100%. Got a bear flag on the 5 minute as well.
No stress. No stress.
No stress. No stress. Well, sorry to hear that, bro, but glad you're up. Yeah, I did not. Oh, that's... I should have closed that one off. I didn't get filled at the point I want to get filled at. Coming down to this first target here. Come on, Betsy. I closed it. Let's see what we got going on over here. Guys, good morning, bro. Good morning. Good morning, everybody that's tuning in. And then, of course, it dropped it. Adios, mio. I'm not in Mexico yet, bro. I'll be in Mexico next month. And that's crazy. I did not see that pivot point down here. If I did, I would have stayed in. Well, we'll wait for another opportunity to jump in. I'll be in Canada next week. I'll be trading from Canada for a couple days. Traders Hangouts will still be going on in Canada as well. Then next month we'll be in Mexico, trading in Mexico and having the Hangouts in Mexico as well. Nice, Neil. Nice, bro. Let me rotate once again. What's up, Art? Good morning. You stay trying to jump in the Zoom, bro, when no one's there yet. You jumped on like at 8 something this morning. I'm like, we don't start till 9:20, fam. Yeah, one day at a time, bro. Base hits, base hits. We're getting another bear flag right there on the 1 minute. Let's get some follow through that pivot point. I want to get away from this pivot because those pivots, I said pivots or something. Those pivots act as like a magnet. So we want to get away from them. Second target is all the way down at 819. 819. All right, quick 570 on that account right there. I'm gonna rotate to the next one. Let's see if we get another bear flag. Show me the money, honey.
Your screen is black, Duane.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, G. Guys, if you ever see the screen black for a long, extensive period of time, let me know because I forgot to click the button. So whenever you see that, if it doesn't switch back within like 10 seconds of me saying I'm rotating, let me know so I can put it back. What do you mean you didn't see me take that trade? You guys didn't see me take the trade that did 570?
That was one of those secret trades, man.
My
I saw
bad.
it. I saw it.
Okay, so as long as y'all saw it, some of y'all must have looked away real quick.
So I saw it, and then once I got out, and then I went back and looked at your screen was black.
I know that you black out your screen to like change the info so it's not broadcast all over the world.
Yeah, I just black it out so you're not seeing all the account numbers.
Your screensaver.
Tonight we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna have some fun. I may do a little giveaway tonight. Who knows what I'm gonna do?
Well, he knows. You know exactly what you're gonna do.
We're getting another bear flag here on the 1 minute. But your boy would like to see you on a higher time frame. All right. Let's see if we get on the 2 minute here.
Needless to say, Duane wants to see a flag.
Your boy definitely wants to see a flag. I need a flag. We have the second target to the low side here, 818.75. 818.75. Are we going to stair step down here? I did not get filled, just got tagged. Oh, Jesus. Whenever you get tagged, after, it's the most frustrating part, I will say.
That is the worst. That's happened to me, like where the move's happening and then it reverses and then it puts you in. Let's face your car going the wrong direction down the road. Woohoo!
I'll give it a couple seconds here. If it doesn't continue down, then I'll just close it. There we go. We're stair stepping.
Still stepping.
Come on, as soon as it puts me in the green, I'm just going to close it. Green is green. I'm like tempted just to kill this now. It was green for a second. I need more than a second so I can exit this trade. Or so I'm just going to close it just to close it here. Protect capital. It looks like it wants to keep coming down here. We got a lot of selling pressure. I did close. Green is green. 180 on this account. Going to rotate to the next one. Just doing base hits right now. Base hits. Yeah, we're definitely coming down to the second target. 818.75 is the second target here. Waiting to get to that second target to see the third target. Third target now is 762. 762. I did not get filled where I wanted once again, but I'll wait to see if we get the stair step. If not, I'll just close this one.
Tap.
I'll get ready to close this. This is a eval. Close it right there.
Yo, what up, guys?
What's up, Adam? How you doing today this morning, sir?
I'm doing good. Just a little late on the trading front. Got caught up with some work stuff this morning.
Oh, you're good, bro. The markets are always here. The markets are always here, sir.
Yeah, it looks like we had a big tilt.
That we did. We had the pop-up for the 8:30 news this morning, and then we did the little rollover here. After it chopped for until like 10 o'clock.
Oh, man. What was the news that released?
That was the CPI that came out at 8:30 today.
Okay. So what, that pumped it and then everything just dropped off at like 10?
Yeah, it pumped it at 8:30, and then from 9:30 to like 10, it was chopping for the most part. And then a little bit after 10, we started to get some movement. So.
You get any trades?
Yeah, I'm up in a couple fundeds, up in a couple evals as well. Right now, just rotating through evals just to put money in them because I'm not a big fan of the price action today because we were chopping in the beginning of the session. But if it continues to get better, I'll switch back to some fundeds as well.
Nice. That's what's up.
Well, complete green for the day in funded accounts. Red in an eval. I do not care about evals, people. And actually, for this, I'm going to switch it to. Where is it? I'm gonna put an ATM strategy on just to see. This is an eval right here, so I'm going to use an ATM strategy here.
People money out at ATM, please.
We're
Don't get me started on that. That's what they screwed my one account with. I was like,
consolidating right in here right now, so good time to wait. On the 2 minute, it looks like we got a bull flag. On the 1 minute, it's a somewhat of a bull flag as well. But we need the bulls to step in here.
the 5 minutes still showing a bear flag.
Well, I would say the 5 minute pot, if this candle stayed red, I would expect it to push up. Only because the bulls pushed the price up and had the body of the candle green still.
No, I got you. That pivot point is calling, baby. The pivot point wants it. Come on.
I don't know how that happened. I pulled up that stop loss to the green. Like, I was in the green and somehow it was still red. I don't know how that works, but okay. This is why I'm trying eval, not fundeds. Because for everyone that's been tuning in, you know I don't use a stop loss. Looking at that 5 minute, if the bears step in here, it may keep coming on down. Because on the 2 minute, this is looking like a flaggy flag right here.
Get some chips steady, baby.
Right, that's looking like a little bear flag right there, but we want to stay below that pivot. Here comes the pivot. Let's see if we reject off of it. We have not touched it yet. For me personally, all right, there's the touch. No, it just held the price. So here comes that first target from earlier. That first target just got tapped right there. 874.50 area. Arc. The natural bull. The natural bull in there. Okay, so that time I moved up far enough to get out in the green. Let's see. Oh, what's that just over here? Yeah, that's looking like a bear flag. That's looking like a bear flag, boys.
All right, guys, I'm going to work. I'm gonna step out of the Zoom, but I'll be in on the YouTube.
Have a good one, Jose. See you tonight for the hangout, bro.
See you then.
So just took that trade right there as well. I trailed it with the stop loss. We did not hit the targets because what I did with my targets, right? I made them further out so that way if I wanted to pull it down, I could. Just trying to see how I feel using the stop loss, take profits, all that good stuff. Actually, let me switch to... just switch this to a different strategy I put in here for the ATM. I'm going to try it out here just to see. What's up, Dre? Good morning, sir. How you feeling today, bro? Legacy, how we doing? How we doing? Are we feeling good? Are we up? Are we down? Or are we all around, boys?
We're good. We're good.
We'll take it
Listen,
then. We'll take it.
I gotta go. I have a client coming over.
All right, Moose. Have a good day, bro.
All right, guys. See you later.
How we looking today?
Mr. Ark's in the chat. Look at that. We're doing good today, bro. How about yourself? I'm just playing with some ATM strategies right now.
You already know when you see them candles go up, just know I'm in the green. If you see them red, just know I'm in heavy drawdown.
Just know I'm in heavy drawdown. Well, if we get below the second target here, we may keep coming on down again.
Let me know
818.75.
When you see a bull flag, I'll be waiting for it.
There might be a bigger bear flag for him, right? On the higher time frame or no?
On the 15, oh, not the 15, the 5 minute, we got an ugly little flag Tron print. Keyword ugly. No flags on the higher time frames currently. So the second target where we're sitting at is holding the price up right now. So let's see if we get some momentum either to the downside or upside. But I definitely want to clear the second target in either direction right now. For the people on YouTube, how you guys feeling? Are you guys up? Are you down? Are you all around? Am I boring today? Let me know, people. Let me know. I can take some constructive criticism. Are my eyebrows too bushy? You let your boy know today, okay? Let me know.
Just go throw on the jacket, man. You good. Just throw on the jacket.
You were looking for me yesterday, my guy. Bro, I was here yesterday. You weren't. I do not miss a stream. And if I'm going to miss a stream, I'll still stream and say, hey, I'm getting off in 30 minutes. Yesterday we streamed till like 11:30, a little bit after 11:30 yesterday for the morning session. And then the night session we ended at around 11. My partner said you have Angry Birds eyebrows. Listen, tell I've heard worse. Let them know I've heard worse than that. The one that everyone always goes to is like, it looks like you have caterpillars on your over your eyes. That's when I would hear back in school, in high school. DJ, I used the raincoats to confirm momentum. What was that? I'm not going to say your name, but DJ. I'll say DJ.
XRP right now, I've been holding the $2 floor for the past few days. So hopefully that should be holding Nas up.
Well, hopefully XRP drops again below $2. Because whenever it drops below, I buy more.
Yeah, we probably mainly see liquidity sweep to 195 randomly.
Yeah.
But for right now, I think the way she's been moving the past few sessions, the $2, it looked like she likes the $2 floor.
Okay.
It's honestly been crazy, like all the bullish news for XRP, and the price has just been stagnant.
Yeah, but it's just they accumulate and watch, because the one thing that's gonna happen with XRP is once that price break out, it's not gonna be a nice clean breakout. That shit is probably gonna pump up to the $4, maybe $3.95, maybe crazy up there.
Hey, if it wants to, I'll be sitting back ready for it.
Yeah, I'm
saying cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching the whole way up.
I'm still buying, brother. Once you pass the $5 mark, I'm gonna stop buying.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm done. Anything below $5, I'm accumulating.
How high do you think it's gonna go in the next 10 years?
Oof. I'll say so far, minimum at least the $10 mark we should be seeing by the end of this year.
That's what I was thinking. Like maximum 2 years from now, at least $10.
Yeah, like the $10 mark is gonna definitely be hit, and then we'll get another sweep. People would think that everybody's exiting out, and probably will make like the $5 a floor. If she can establish $5 as the floor, then I could see more continuation.
Yeah. Do you guys think within like the next, we'll say, because I'm a long-term holder, never short, in like the next 5 to 10 years, do you guys see it possibly pumping to like $50 in 10 years?
Not rough. It's gonna be rough.
Okay.
Because all depends. Right now, the only utility that they're looking at it is basically for bank transactions in the back end. So that's why they're shaking it off a bit and everything. So maybe, but I doubt it. I think they're probably gonna want to keep it as a USDC level. You know how it stays concentrated within a floor, within a price.
Yeah.
So they can make the transaction. If it fluctuates too much, I don't think then that's gonna be looking good for XRP to be used as a bank back-end transaction.
They have their own stable coin now too.
Right, have a good one, bro.
Yeah, that's another thing. And then you're gonna see banks are gonna probably just push out and be like, no, we're making the Chase coin, West Fargo coin, and the Bank of America. So
I'll be buying those too.
That's gonna push the market out a little bit away from it. Because just like brother said, all the bullishness, and she's still like ranging the way she is. It's kind of like,
Yeah,
there's definitely been a lot of tokens that have been moving out. There's been a lot of transaction of tokens taken offline. So I don't know what's that about.
I think a lot of it has been designated to ETFs.
Yeah.
But if we see more of that, if we see the supply going down because they're being pulled into like funds like that, it can drive the price up as well.
So on the 2-minute, we got this bear flag that printed. We popped it back down here below the second target. Third target's on the screen. Third target is on the screen here for me. 76250. 76250. I'm gonna rotate off this account. Which account do I want to go to next? Decisions. I'm just playing evals right now. I'm done trading the funders for the day. BP, good morning, sir. Next time you come in, though, make sure you hit me with the "your" so I know it's you. Don't want your girl coming in here, you know what I'm saying, acting like you. So gotta say the "your." That's our code. And if you need help, if you need me to call 911 for you, y'all, you gotta come in saying "your," and then right after say "pineapples." That's the sign for me to call the cops for you. DJ, for when you're trading, how many contracts are you normally running? Because I know you're copy trading with all your fundeds per firm. How many contracts you normally running per account? Got it. Yeah, that's a good one. Did he dip out? No, he's in here. Well, you're muted if you're trying to talk. Can't hear you. Tonight, reminder, traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to be talking about trading. We're going to be talking about life. We're going to be talking about everything in between. So make sure you guys tune in and hang out with us. It's always a good time to get connected with the community, ask questions, and actually I'm able to focus more on you guys because I'm not actively trying to trade the markets. So that's why I do the trader hangout, so I can connect with y'all. You know, we're coming up on 11 o'clock. Let me change the little vibe. You know what I'm saying? I'll try taking another trade on this eval just to say I tried it. But so far, a decent day in the markets. Didn't trade all my funded, but rotate through a couple of them. Wish I was more green in some of them, but beggars can't be choosers. You take what the market gives you. Maybe I may have to wait to take a payout while in Canada, like on next Monday. If I get this one account ready for payout, I'll take a payout in Canada. I think that would be cool. Oh God, BP, I'm calling the cops for you, bro. He hit me with the yurt pineapples. Oh God. Oh. Yo, I hate when I go into my emails and like you get the notification for our email and then you don't see it when you go into it. So weird. Did that go to spam maybe? BP, that's like the bat signal, bro. Like you can't say you're with pineapples, man. Like for me, that's like you're getting beaten down by your girl. I gotta call the cops for you, man. All right, we're above this pivot point. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till 11 o'clock here. I'm ready for the gym today. Your boy's down 4 pounds since the first of the year. Let's see. Are we going to build a bull flag up here now? BP, I'll lose the weight. You can gain the weight, bro. That's what Brett said too. He's like, man, you're losing. I'm gaining. I'm like, well, I'm gonna be losing probably hopefully another 20 pounds by mid-February. So from my lips to God's ears, boys. From my lips to God's ears. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, I'll let stop me out right there. Well, I'm only trying to drop the 20 pounds so I could go ziplining in Mexico. And there's this one excursion where you get rappelled down into cenotes and cave dive. So I want to get the weight down so I'm able to rappel safely before I become an internet meme. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, look at this big guy that got stuck in Mexico. I'm not trying to be on the internet like that. I have a reputation to uphold. Looking like we're going to be building this bull flag. I'm just trailing this right here. I feel like a real trader right now. I'm trailing the price, boys. I'm trailing it. Hey, we'll take that.
Hey man, that's how you lock in those base hits, right?
Yeah, I'm trying because Adam, for me personally, I do not trade with stop losses and take profits. So that's why I'm just like trying to feel it out, you know what I'm saying, on some of these evals.
Yeah.
Because I never want to do it in my fundeds unless like I'm comfortable with it. That's the whole thing.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean, you gotta test. If you're testing out new things, you don't want to be doing it live. You don't want to be playing games with the market like that.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be that reckless yet. So I will go full port if BP tells me to, but I ain't gonna be messing with ATM strategies and full porting at the same time.
Yeah,
I do have some restraint.
I use the ATM strategies. I feel like it's helpful, especially because like when I first started trading, there was a lot bigger moves.
Yeah.
You know, there would be like 12, 20 point trades and I was catching a lot of them, you know, and then, you know, in the past few months, it's been a lot tighter.
Yeah.
So what I do is I move my take profit and I trail or my stop and I trail like that. So it forces me to take profit if it goes against me, and I might not catch all the runners, but you know, I'll get the base hits and that.
Yeah, you're staying safe. You're staying safe. Because for me personally, I'm willing to risk $1,000 per trade, right? Well, I was thinking about, I'm like, if I just drop that down into 2 trades, like 500 per trade.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, I win more than I lose. So if I just drop that percentage down from 1,000 to 500,
You gotta go 5 bands, man. Call it a day. Call it a day,
5
brother.
bands.
5 bands, man. Just go heavy, tight ass, tight stop loss.
I'm not listening to DJ today, people.
Come on, man.
Sorry, folks. Sorry.
You, bro. Listen, I start heavy on Mondays. I reduce my lot size as the week goes by. By Friday, I'm like at 1.
Okay. See, Mondays and Fridays, those are like the most like choppiest days for me. So Mondays, I sometimes I'll hit. Other days I'll have a red day on Monday. But the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, those are the days when that real money's made for me. I don't know why that
Tuesday,
is.
Thursday, that's the most volume that the market gets.
That's probably why I'm producing more on those days.
You like all that action. You're talking about chop, but you like all that volatility.
Listen, I love volatility, boys. I love it. When it's slow and steady, that's when I get chopped up. When it's volatile, I make the most money. But when it's slow and steady and just grinding, I'll get chopped up.
Yeah, that's what brought me to futures. I always wanted to like day trade crypto, but for me, you know, swing trading crypto is way better.
Yeah,
the volatility is not always there. You don't know when it's there. With futures, you know when it's going to be there. It might not be there that day, but tomorrow.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. So DJ, for yourself, so how many contracts you trading per account? I asked you, you're muted or something. So I figured you didn't want to give out your proprietary information.
A marketing call came in. My bad. I literally just hit up. That's why I came back. I'm like, yeah, 5 bands, man. Per account, honestly, I like to throw 5 at the beginning, 5 minis on a pullback. That scale back in, but I like to overall be anywhere above 15 and higher because remember, I aim for less points.
Yeah.
Less point for me pays me out. Like for the type of lot size I go in at 20, 30 points, I'm making anywhere from $10, $15, $20,000.
Yeah.
Especially if it's going my route, you know, pretty aggressively. And then I start scaling out. But I like to stay between the 10 and the 15.
Gotcha.
If it's a good setup. If it's a bad setup, I'll probably reduce back to the micros, throw like a 5 because a 5 micro can move and NAS, and then let the market do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Where if it hits it and I only make 1,000 that day, whatever, hey man, you know what I'm saying? But if my emotions and my brain is not 100% aligning, I keep those big guns in the pockets. I don't take them out.
Got you. Yeah, I need to work on that myself because I'm just ready for the volatility to come back to the markets because I feel like we've only had one solid day this year for me with how I trade, and that was January 2nd. But after that, I feel like we'll have a move first during the first 15 minutes, and then we just chop the rest of the day.
The tricky thing about this part with the market is if you look back on the daily charts and everything, most of the silent up one bull runs happen by micro daily candles. They just kept creeping up until you get that sweep, that you get that dump, and then it comes back and it just creeping up. So Nas, she'll give you the bull run. It's just you gotta have a lot of patience and just wait for it. Literally wait for it and wait for it. Like the swing plays, those are the best.
Okay.
For us intraday, that should be the choppiest. Because you know it's up and down. You expect for it to run down, and then it doesn't run. Then it goes back down. So,
yeah, I'm learning, people. I'm learning. I'm growing because I got big goals this year for payouts. So I'm trying to get dialed down.
Definitely give it a try, bro. Try to give it a try if you can. Like if anything, I would say if you had Top Step, you know, you will use one of the blown evals or something like that because they let you use it for practice and see, you know what I'm saying, how those minis on a bigger lot size.
Yeah, well, I do trust me, I love trading bigger size. Like, I love trading between 4 to 8 contracts in my larger accounts. Because like you said, you don't need the market moving that far before you make your money.
Now, on a live broker, I go 20 minutes minimum. Because there I got enough buffer, you know what I'm saying, to handle 20 minutes on a drawdown on a 100 pips dump or whatever the case may be. But funded accounts, I try to keep it at 10-15 max, because you don't want to increase. When it comes to these firms, remember, they don't want us to be withdrawing a lot of money.
No,
this is why most firms, they will have a cap at $100,000. Every firm has a cap for every trader at $100,000. Once you hit that mark, if you start giving them a lot of issues like, oh, I don't want to transfer into a live, or blah, 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 then that's when you get those crazy automatic rules that will get applied to your trading conditions, like trades will get closed. Your margin room is not there like it used to. Now you got less of a margin. And it's all because you already hit that point where now the risk management team is like, all right, this guy hit the 100,000.
Yeah, we're paying too much. We're paying too much at that point.
Yeah, he already passed that percentage. And that's literally why I have reduced my lot size with them and started staying under the radar.
Okay. Well, you're also trading 5 accounts per firm, so.
Why, bro? I got so many fundeds, bro. And that's why right now my goal is literally trying to get to like at least 60 fundeds.
Oh, you'll be able to do that.
Try to be funded by all the firms. So like that, I'm not looking for a huge home run in one firm. You know what I'm saying? I can liquidate as I go.
BP, see you later, bro. Wave, I'll check my IG once we get off the stream here. Yeah, like right now I'm maxed on Tradeify. I'm getting ready. I already have 150K account with Lucid that I'm getting ready to pass. But I'm trying to add some other firms in as well and just max them all out. So that way it can literally just be base hits for each one and no longer having to try getting everything from just one firm each month.
Definitely. What I do is out of every firm, I always go for max allocation. Like Tradeify, right now my top right now, I'll Take Profits, because Take Profit, they allow you to still have 5 funded accounts when you get moved to the live. So you can still keep that consistency. And then now your cap goes from 10,000 a day up to $1 million a day that you can withdraw. Then Top Step, I keep them around a max 5 account allocation, but I like to split my payouts from Top Step and put them into a live account. So I know that the withdrawal that I get from that specific account goes directly into my live funded account that I can, trade without no rules and no restrictions and things like that. I try to take 50% from my pockets, 50% I dump it in the live. That's why I'm able to go 20 micro, because I'm withdrawing literally from 5 different firms at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
So it gives me enough room to put there at risk.
No, you're definitely doing it right, bro. You got more fun than most of us out here. Not going to front.
I'm still starting, bro. Still low. Haven't break records yet. Haven't break records. I'm aiming, no lie, my biggest goal right now is to go from consistency 50 to 100,000 a month to bringing it up to 500,000.
That'd be nice. Where my goal is just to do 500 grand this year and payouts from prop firms. This man's trying to do that in a month.
You're gonna surpass that, bro. Just keep going. You're locked in.
I know it's doable, but for me, I'm like, even if I only hit the 500K this year in payouts from like Tradeify, Take Profit Trade, and Lucid, that's a solid year from trading, because that's not all I'm doing.
A little cautious once you get to the live stage, because Lucid has some specific rules when they switch it to the live that is not ideal. I had them, but my evals ended up blowing. One of my friends has them, and he actually funded, and he was having issues with them.
Well, I know, like with Tradeify, if you switch over to the live account, they do allow you to go back to the other side if you want.
Tradeify, so that's why I got them. Like right now, Top Step, Take Profit, and Tradeify. I call them the 3 T's.
I'm not as big with Take Profit anymore because you're giving them so much money, bro. With that 80-20 split that they do,
you would still think about it, bro. You're getting $10,000 cap per account. And that's just until you get switched to Pro Plus. Once you get Pro Plus, you got no more cash. So you make 30 bands today, 40 bands, just click that withdraw button, and it's coming straight into your account. So yeah, they're a little tricky because the intraday trailing in the beginning, a lot of people get clapped because of that in the front. The reset fee to their funded account, yes, it is a pretty bit high.
I would never pay it. Never pay
But think about it, if you're making 10,000 from them on a daily basis, you're able to afford those resets, but I wouldn't recommend them.
Yeah, 100%. But see, I'm trying to preach to the people that aren't trading the way we trade, sir. So I tell them not to reset their pro accounts.
No, yeah, if they don't got what we got, then no, please.
You know what I'm saying? Only because the whole game when you're first starting off is to take more from them than what they're taking from you.
Yeah, no, not for beginner. I would not highly recommend that. That's very pricey, brother. Me, since I'm already in business, a business expense, I just leave it as is.
Yeah.
So, I just look at it as a bigger marketing chunk that I'll pay for that month. So I gotta make sure that I protect those accounts once I reset them. And always keep different account size with take profit. See, like I got a few 25Ks there that I can reset for the low. I got a few 50Ks there that I can always reset for like 650. And then I got the 1500 that's the most pricier one because that's like $1,500 actually to reset.
Yeah.
So like that, you get your skin back. You know, I can reset the 25 real quick, get back in the game, do some good trading, get 10 bands out, reset the other ones, and then keep scaling up like that. Because they do have I think they do have like a yearly limit on how many funded accounts you can have in your profile, even if they blown.
Okay.
Nah, bro, hitting that withdraw button at 10 o'clock every day.
No, I know it's nice. It is nice. I think I'll start using these ATM strategies when we're tight. You know what I'm saying? Like, they would be good for like trading like a range.
Yeah, it's good for scalping.
Yeah.
He's waked up for 4 hours. He's above the daily support. 4 hours closing in a few. So, bro, so definitely looking good to the upside. We gonna hold above 25,800 or 880 for the remainder of the session. We got straight upside.
Okay. I'll be getting off here at 11:30. 11:30, I'm gonna be getting off.
At 1 o'clock, what happened?
I never said 1 o'clock, bro. Listen, I never said 1
Listen,
o'clock.
how you gonna say you're gonna trade the New York session, then you cutting it at 12? Come on, man. Come on.
Yeah, because listen, the most moves happen in the morning.
I'll be honest with you, bro. The most move happened for me after 12. You get that 2:30 power hour. You get the you get the lunch break hour. Oh my God, bro. Sunny, try to stretch it a little longer if you can.
Well, I'm getting out here at 11:30, only because what was that? Only because for me personally, right? I want to help people understand you don't have to be on the charts all day to make your money. Like, you get in, you get out, you enjoy the rest of your day. We're not trying to create another job for us.
I love it.
Oh, blew this? I don't know how.
Yeah, we blacked out. We blacked out. That's it. Bro, shutting it down.
No, I'm not shutting. I'm rotating.
Oh, okay.
He's leaving. He's gone,
he's
folks.
leaving. He's gone, man. That's cool. Oh my God, yo. It's so wonderful when you like seeing the amount of drawdown you're in, and you know that when she flips, you're gonna be in that same amount of profit. Big yo.
Hit the
25.
VWAP. Let's see how we react off this VWAP here.
And to be honest with you, she outside because look, we got January 20th, we got the Walmart joining the Nasdaq, combined with Google. We also have a lot of tech earnings this week. A lot of good tech earnings this week. So that should be helping the market continue what's going on. Because I already saw the reaction last night when it was trying to, and I was like, all right, let's see what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
If we close below that today, then she can have a bigger pullback to the downside.
No, I just want to see us build out a flag above this VWAP if we're going to keep being bullish. You know what I'm saying? What's up, you two? How we feeling? You guys green? You red? Talk to your boy. Let me know in the chat. I don't know. Today just feels like a Wednesday, but it's only Tuesday. Yellow. I don't know what yellow is, but okay. So you're in between, I'm assuming? You're not green, you're not red, you're yellow? Tonight, for the new people here, we're going to be having the Traders Hangout where we vibe at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time every single day of the week. Talk about trading, talk about life, and everything in between. And yes, this coming week, it will be slightly different because your boy will be in Canada streaming with y'all, trading, vibing for the Hangouts as well. And then next month, we're in Mexico. So we're going to be having some fun, people. Still below this VWAP. I want to get above the VWAP and build out a little flaggy flag to take us higher. Look at all this consolidation right here on the 1 minute. What's up, Deathshot? How you doing, bro? Still consolidating. Still waiting for us to get above the VWAP. I'm confused. What I do?
Green is black.
What was that? Yeah, I just switched it.
Oh, okay.
I did it purposely. I did it on purpose, people. I'm rotating my accounts. At this rate, I'll probably be done trading for the day come 11:30. Yes, she's slow and steady right now. She's slow and steady. I got back day today in the gym, and your boy is excited to throw some weights around today. Are we getting ready to get a bull flag on the 5 minute here? Anybody have any questions, concerns? Let me know now. We got 5 more minutes before I jump. Well, 4 more minutes now until I jump off. So ask your questions in the chat. I'll get them answered real quick before I jump off here. If I don't answer it now, come back for the Traders Hangout. I'll answer more questions for you then as well. We got 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Look at that, Jesus. That's kind of scary that we just dump like that.
Yep. I usually stop at 11:32 because, you know, I don't like to enter a trade this late in the game because most of the time something crazy happens close to 11:30 or it'll just chop. And then I get caught in a trade for like 2 hours and I'm like, why did I do this?
Yep. And people right there just got hurt because that dump literally came out of nowhere. There was no build up for it, nothing. It just, someone pulled the rug out real quick and now we're bouncing right back. How do we know when you're in a trade or out of a trade? Well, Tooks, I got you. You'll see the screen change. It will show you that I'm in the red or green when I'm in a trade. I'm not currently taking a trade right now. Five-minute breaker to the left. We're going to see. We'll see. Gold dump. Yep, well, this is the NQ. I'm not currently looking at gold. So this is a nasty 5-minute wick right there. Welcome for everyone that's new in here. I'm gonna actually be getting ready to get off here. We'll have the Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to talk about trading. We're going to talk about life and everything in between. So make sure you guys tune in and hang out with us tonight as well. It's always a fun time. And yeah, stay safe in the Marcus Legacy and YouTube people. Don't do anything too crazy. It's 11:30. There's no reason to be risking it for the biscuit at this time. Just saying.
Later, man. See you tomorrow.
All right, Adam. Have a good day. G, I'll talk to you tomorrow, bro, or tonight on the stream.
All right.
Be blessed.
All right.
Well, YouTube, I will see you guys tonight as well. Stay safe in the markets. Like I said, don't risk it for the biscuit. I'll catch y'all later. Have a good day.